All right, second graders, we are going to continue with subtracting. Yesterday we learned how to subtract by counting backwards and using a number line. Today we're going to learn two new concepts and they're pretty easy. The first one is to subtract all, and the second concept is to subtract 0. So let's see what subtract all means. I will play this and we'll watch it.
Subtract all and subtract 0. 5 frogs were sitting on the lily pad. Something scared them and they all jumped off the lily pad.
Can you guys hear that?
No. I can barely hear that.
All right. Let me turn my volume up on my computer. Okay. Sorry about that.
Why is it so low though?
Because here's the problem. My computer has a volume. The program has a volume. The Clever Touch has a volume. So there's 3 volumes that I need to worry about. And that's a lot of volumes.
Wait a minute. Well, isn't there just like a little volume button at the thing if you don't go
No.
full screen?
It's on my computer, I believe. So that's why, second graders, I sometimes run into issues because there's 3 volumes I need to worry about. Okay.
What kind of volume?
Okay.
Subtract all and subtract 0.
That is loud.
5 frogs were sitting on the lily pad. Something scared them and they all jumped off the lily pad. How many frogs are left? 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 frogs are left. Now the frogs are back on the lily pad. If nothing scares them, they will stay on the lily pad. Let's wait and see. No frogs jump off the lily pad. How many frogs are left? 5 minus 0 equals 5. So 5 frogs are left.
Okay. I think this lesson will be pretty easy, but let's review.
That's quick.
Okay. I'm going to have someone place, it says between 5 and 12 objects. Now, I'm going to have you we're going to pretend that these are our green frogs. And you can put them on the lily pad or around the lily pad. So, place 5 to 12 objects on the lily pad to represent dragonflies. I'm sorry, they're not frogs. So you pick which one of these count as dragonflies. Raylan, would you come up here and pick between 5 and 12? And they're going to be dragonflies. So we're going to pretend these are dragonflies. I'm sorry, I read it wrong. It's dragonflies. So, yep, drag them up. 1. Anywhere is fine. 2. 3. 4. 5.
6.
6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Are you going to do 10? Okay. Raylan's going to do 10. Oh, maybe one more. He decided to add another one. So Raylan, come up here. Raylan, how many dragonflies are on the lily pad?
Frogs. Dragonflies.
There's 10.
Dragonflies, Lewis.
Oh.
Is there 10? Okay. Put 10. Now, we are going to remove all of the dragonflies to show that they flew away. So, I'm going to have you sit down, and I'm going to have LES, because you are sitting so nicely and you're attentive. You come up here and drag. We're going to have to do this. We're going to have to drag them away, okay? So, drag away your dragonflies. All of them.
There is a trash button.
Oh, there is. I didn't just notice that too. I wonder if we can put it up there. You want to try that, Ellie? Perfect.
What if you just click on it? All will go away. All of them. Yeah, just try to click on it. Try to click on
Okay,
it.
how about just let her do it? What do you want her to do? Just click on it?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that? Like
See if
just
it
tap
doesn't
it?
try to do it. No, like that.
Oh, like
No,
that?
But the
X is for the writing only. That's a good idea, but thank you for finding that garbage can. So, Raylan put 10 dragonflies on the lily pad, and he wrote 10 up here. But I had to erase it because I needed to have Ellie move them. And then Ellie showed us that 10 flew away. So Ellie, how many are gone? How many flew away? 10 flew away, right? So second graders, how many are left?
Wait,
0.
I put 11 on there, didn't I? Because it was 10 and then I added one more.
But you had told me you put 10 on there.
No, he put one.
Okay, either way, let's just say you put 10 on there. And then you might have changed your mind, but you told me 10, so we'll just go with that, okay? Now, if you have the same number that you start with and you take that same number away, you're always going to end in 0. Always, always. Okay? Your answer, your difference will always be 0. Let's try another story problem. Haley has a flower with 7 petals. She plucked 0 of the petals. Write the subtraction sentence to show this situation. So Mrs. Murphy is going to draw a flower up here with 7 petals. This would be kind of hard, but I think I can do it.
And then one with no petals.
Okay, help me count. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oofta. So that flower has 7 petals. She picks 0 petals. So how many petals are going to go away, Ingrid? 0. So am I going to do anything to the petals? No. So I'm just going to write 0 are going away. So how many is left, Ingrid?
0.
How many are left? 7. So whenever you subtract 0 from a number, your answer is always that number because none are gone. They're all still there. You didn't take any away. That's pretty easy, isn't it? I think you probably learned that in first grade and kindergarten. I hope so. Okay. All right. This today, if you get to it, which you might not, because we are running out of time because we did our Scholastic News after lunch, and I was hoping we get to this, but we're not. But next week, you guys are going to do F10, which is working on subtract 0 and all. So let me show you this. You are going to practice subtracting 0 and all of them. So I'm going to look at the problem, and you guys can always click the speaker.
Easy.
Okay, so I'm going to call on you. You're going to tell me the answer, and I'm going to quickly type it in, okay? Libby.
7.
Just say it. 7 minus 0.
7.
Good job. All right. 6
6
minus 6, Briley?
0.
0. Thanks for...
Stop you.
10 minus 0. LEA.
10.
Good job. Oop, wrong button. 2 minus 2, Lewis? 0. You got it. 9 minus 9, Addie?
0.
Good job. 3 minus 0, what do you think, Charlotte?
0.
No, it's all, when you subtract 0 from number, it's your answer is always that number that you're subtracting from. Yes. 5 minus 0, what do you think, Kinsley?
5.
Good job. 4 minus 4, what do you think, Aria?
0.
Good job. 1 minus 0, what do you think, Brooklyn?
1.
Good job. We'll do 2 more and we'll have to stop. 5 minus 0, John?
I want to make it to 100. 42. No. Can you make it to 100?
We're going to stop because I want you guys to have time to do this. 3 minus 3, let's see. Wyatt, I haven't called on you. 3 minus 3.
0.
0.
I
Okay.
know.
Now, Mrs. Murphy is not going to get to 100 because guess what?
What?
I don't get any prizes like you guys. You guys get awesome prizes and awards.
What?
I don't earn anything. But you will keep going
You could.
either today if you have chance,
Yeah.
or next week Mrs. Murphy will put it at the center to do F10. But it is highlighted. Mrs. Murphy did highlight. So you guys remember how if it's yellow, so you can look to see all the ones that are yellow, those are all highlighted. That means I have taught it so you can work on it. So F, down in the F's, it's the only F. F10 is the one that we just did, and it's highlighted. Okay?
I did all the E's that after I finish my one.
Very good.
Then I'm gonna,
Very
then I
good.
get to go down the F, then I get to go down the one more.
Awesome.
More.